I'm Chris, and I'm co-founder of dataprovider.com. Dataprovider is a structured search engine that indexes all websites on the internet every month. With our search engine, you can see what happens on the internet. In this fact-checking with Chris, we're going to have a look at GitLab. Now, GitLab is a web-based DevOps tool, and many tech companies use GitLab as a repository manager for their source code. Additionally, GitLab can be used for project planning, issue tracking, and for software deployment. Now, last week, GitLab finally filed for an IPO, and according to them, their software is being used by 100,000 organizations worldwide. So the big question at Dataprovider is GitLab actually being used by 100,000 organizations as they claim? In many cases, organizations run GitLab on their own servers, behind thick firewalls, meaning it's hard to identify websites that use GitLab. Thankfully, there are a few ways to detect it. Firstly, GitLab offers a service called GitLab Pages. You can publish websites directly from a GitLab repository. Websites that use this service have to make the changes to the DNS if they want to run on their own domain. And these DNS records are indexed by Dataprovider, making it possible to select them. Secondly, many companies install GitLab on a subdomain on their own server. And every month, Dataprovider resolves 4 billion IP addresses, so we can see each domain that has GitLab configured as a subdomain. Now, by combining these fields into one dataset, we can see over 75,000 websites that are set up to use GitLab. So the conclusion of this fact-checking with Chris is yes, because it's technically not possible to see all organizations, the 75,000 websites that we do see would indicate their statement is correct, and that there are over 100,000 organizations that use GitLab. Do you have a challenge for us? Let us know in the comments below, and maybe I'll fact check your question next time with Dataprovider.